At Appliance Outlet, we understand that laundry appliances are part of the rhythm of everyday life. Choosing the right washer or dryer can make household routines faster and more efficient. Our store features a variety of laundry appliances in Burnaby, British Columbia, carefully selected for reliability and performance. Customers can explore live floor models before making a decision. We believe shopping for appliances should feel straightforward and informative. Our team is always ready to explain key differences between models, so you can choose what truly fits your needs. We focus on offering practical solutions for modern homes. From energy-efficient washers to powerful dryers, our appliances are chosen for real-world use. Many of our customers visit when updating laundry spaces during renovations. Others come in when they need a dependable replacement for an older machine. Our Burnaby location welcomes homeowners, renters, and property managers looking for dependable appliances. We're here to help you find equipment that balances performance and value. Call us today at 604-656-4050 or visit applianceoutlet.ca/appliance-stores-Burnaby. Appliance Outlet, where dependable appliances meet practical choice.